Good morning everyone. I hope everybody is doing fine. So today we are going to start off with a short test on your conic section. Total you have 6 questions out here. Seven questions, and you have all of 3 marks, 21 marks, and it will be of 25 minutes. Clear everyone? If anybody has questions regarding any of these questions, first go through all the questions out here and let me know if you feel. Question number 4 is for parabola. Question number 2 is parabola. Question number 5 is for ellipse, and this is for your hyperbola. Is all of the questions clear to you? Kindly start off with the test, keeping in mind the time limit. I'll pause the video for you to start off with the test. Solutions for now. Now listen up, we'll have some of the hints given. The equation of the circle passes through this point. 2 points have been given to you. So standard equation will become, and the center, let the center be h comma k. So since the center passes through this line, we'll have 4h plus k is equals to 16 as our one equation. Then you'll substitute the value of 4 and this one in the equation, this one, the standard equation for circle, is equals to r square. We'll be getting 2 equations from here. Then you'll solve all of these 3 equations to get the value for h, k and r. Clear? We'll be having the solutions for the entire equation. And how many have got h and r, h and k's value? What is the value for h and k? R is equals to root 10. H is? K is 4. H is how much? 3. Okay, this will be your answers. Okay, find the equation. Second one, find the equation of a circle. Center is this much, passes through this one. So you'll calculate the distance between these 2 points, which will give you the value for r. Okay, and then since center is this much, again h and k ki jagah you'll be substituting these values. Instead of h and k, you'll substitute the value for the radius, center, and then radius will have the distance between these 2 points. Clear? Now moving on to the third one, we have 1 point given, lies inside or outside this circle. First of all, tell me the circle radius is how much? Radius for the circle is 5. So we'll calculate the distance of this point from the origin. Okay, if you get a distance of less than 5, I think you'll be getting around 4 point something, which is less than 5. You'll say the point lies inside the circle. Clear? Yes or no? Moving on to the fourth one, vertex is 0, 0, passes through this point, symmetric with respect to y-axis. So your equation is this one. Then you substitute 5 and 2 in this equation to get the value for a, and then standard equation will substitute the value for a. Clear? Y-axis ke about it's symmetric, so it is x square is equals to 4ay. Clear? Now question number 5, major axis on x-axis. This is a question for ellipse, so this is our standard equation. B square is equals to 1 if major axis lies on x-axis. These 2 points needs to be substituted in place of x and y. You will be getting 2 different equations, and then you'll have to solve for a square and then b square. Take a as 52 only, okay, a square. No need to find a, just take a square. And b square is how much, Mitham? A square is 52, B square is how much? 13. B squared is 13 or B is 13? अच्छा चलो ठीक है. Moving on to the sixth one, we have vertices has been given to us, eccentricity has been given. So what can you calculate from here? Vertices, hyperbola. A has been given to you as 7. You can calculate C from here. C is equals to AE. Then use the formula A square plus B square to calculate the value for B, and then you have the standard equation as x square by A square, y square by B square is equals to 1. Clear? Because the vertices is on x axis, so this is our horizontal type ellipse, hyperbola. Yeah. Okay. Now seventh question, foci is on y axis, so this is a vertical hyperbola and passes through that point. So for vertical hyperbola we know y square by A square, x square by B square is equals to 1, B and A. Okay, then you substitute the value for that point, whatever is given to you, 2, 3 out here, you will get the value for A and B. Okay, in terms 1 equation, and this C has been given to you as root 10, C square is 10. So A square plus B square is equals to 10. You have two equations, two variables, solve for A square and B square and get the answer. Is this class clear to everyone? Few minutes are left, so this will be it for today's class. Please let me know if you have any doubts regarding any of the numericals given in today's test. Any questions? Kindly turn in the assignment, whatever you have done in today's class. Let me see how much you have done. Okay, so that's it for today's class. Thank you. Bye bye and have a nice day. Go and attend your next class. Thank you.